Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect french fries at home. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, just the way we love them. Let's get started. Peel 3 potatoes and cut them into quarter-inch sized uniform pieces. Add the cut potatoes immediately to a bowl of cold water to prevent browning and to remove excess starch. Now, let the potatoes soak on cold water for 30 minutes. If you do not have time, then rinse the potatoes at least 3 times in cold water. This step removes the excess starch. Now, after soaking, we need to blanch the potatoes. Add the potatoes to a saucepan. Add a liter of water to this. Add a tablespoon of vinegar. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt. Now, cover the pan and let it boil. Once the water starts to bubble up, simmer for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, remove the potatoes from water, drain it and add it to a bowl of cold water that has been refrigerated. Let the potatoes soak in cold water for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain the potatoes from the water and pat it dry with kitchen towel or paper towels and remove the excess moisture completely. The next step is to double fry the potatoes. To a heavy bottom frying pan, add 1.5 cups of oil. Heat the oil on low flame. The exact temperature should be 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potatoes in small batches for 3 to 4 minutes. There won't be any color change of the potatoes at this stage. After 4 minutes, remove the potatoes from oil. Drain off the excess oil by using paper towels or by placing them on wire racks. Let them cool and come to room temperature. You can freeze the excess potatoes at this point and use them whenever it's needed. Now we need to wait till these potatoes come to room temperature. Once the fries are completely cool, we gotta flash fry the potatoes on the highest heat settings for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are golden and crispy. The exact temperature should be 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the fries from oil. Drain off the excess oil using paper towels. Once it's off the oil, it would be very crispy. Once it's off the oil, we have to immediately add seasoning. Today I'm gonna add quarter teaspoon of salt and a little bit of paprika powder. You can use any seasoning you want instead of salt and paprika. Shake it well so it is well seasoned. Serve it hot with your favorite dips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Curry Bites. See you next time.